ये लोगों ने जो बर्बाद करके छोड़ी मैसूर एंड मंड्या का यत्ता बड़ा है बिल वो भी कम और ऐसा समझ को करी ये जुबान नहीं बोलना वीडियो को इनकी बाप दादा की जगह करके बोलकर समझ को करी।
बाप की जागीर समझकर वक्फ के जमीनों पर नाजायज कब्जे करने वालों पर कांग्रेस हुकूमत की बड़ी कार्रवाई। तेलंगाना माइनॉरिटीज वेलफेयर मिनिस्टर अजहरुद्दीन हुए पुलिस ऑफिसर्स पर बरहम और कहा लॉ एंड ऑर्डर और इलीगल एक्टिविटीज को रोकने में पुलिस दिन ब दिन हो रही है नाकाम। शहर हैदराबाद की तारीखी गुट्टाला बेगमपेट की मस्जिद आलमगीर के तहत 90 एकड़ कीमती जमीन पर नाजायज कब्जों की इत्तला पर आज माइनॉरिटी मिनिस्टर अजहरुद्दीन, तिमरीज चेयरमैन फहीम कुरैशी, वक्फ बोर्ड चेयरमैन अजमतुल्ला हुसैनी और कारवान एमएलए कौसर मोहिउद्दीन ने किया इंस्पेक्शन। पिछले 2 दिन से इस जमीन पर हो रहे फ्रेश कब्जों पर कारवान कॉन्टेस्टेड एमएलए उस्मान अल हजरी ने उठाई थी पहली आवाज।
Job is to maintain law and order. First of all, if people are not maintaining law and order, and these people's complaints are very genuine. So, एकदम सही complaints है. You are not maintaining any law and order, and you are not working as a policeman. What is your job? First job is to maintain law and order. What law and order you are maintaining? Please tell me. And why when these people are complaining now? Fahim Saab is saying that why you are waiting for charge sheet? Tomorrow if I kill somebody, what do? You file a charge sheet first, or you arrest me or remand me. Don't teach me law. I already okay. This I am warning you today. I am telling you today. From today onwards, I want everybody in the police department to take care of this place, 90 acres. Otherwise, I will come and sit in the night. If you cannot do it, I will sit. मैं आके बैठता हूँ, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. This is a first property. This is not anybody's land. समझे ना? आप लोग बहुत खामोश बैठे हैं तो सिर पे कैसे बैठते हैं? And the department people also. What are you doing? Why are you not agreeing to the gazette? Tell me please. It's a government gazette.
Yes, the government.
Did I write? Did you write? Or did they write? No, ना. किसने भी नहीं लिखा ना गजट. गजट का मतलब क्या है? You people, everybody start complaining. खाली complain करते रहते हैं एक के ऊपर. Why can't you do your duty properly? Otherwise, I will remove everybody. I will write to the same. I will write to the DCP also. If you cannot do the job, you please write. Give me in writing that हम नहीं कर सकते यहाँ पे. This is not a way you should function. From today onwards, I am warning you. I am telling you. If you do not do it, I will call you to my office. Every day I will call you and ask for report. And these people are getting hit. These people are being, assaulted. What are you doing? Why he should come and why he should MLA should come and stand here? It is their job. It is nobody's job. It is not my job also. It is your job.
Why allowing to them? Why you people allowing to them?
When it says status quo, it has a status quo for everybody.
DCP Garu, last 1 month, how many structures has came up?
So many.
We have to
Last 1
demolish everybody.
you take the Google pictures.
आप बताइए जाके कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर
अच्छा
है?
नहीं, परसों सीओ साहब पुलिस को बोले सपोर्ट करो, तो पुलिस सपोर्ट नहीं करे.
CA Garu,
Why you are not doing?
First of all,
But
CA Garu,
in the last week-
people are very much complaining about you, and I am saying you, this is what you are doing is not correct. I am saying you, this is not at all correct from your part.
एक मिनट CA गारू, you are allowing that the persons to influence that. Are you saying their documents? On what basis you are allowed to them
Yeah.
to influence? You are denying our documents. And how allowing to them to encourage and all this thing?
That means you are going against the
Are you
government.
satisfied with the documents?
You are working for the government or working for the people?
Tell me, openly tell me. Are you
Land grab
satisfied with you are denying our documents now? Are you satisfied with their documents? No, not sir, you are telling but your below officer not following.
Last 1 month, ఎన్ని స్ట్రక్చర్స్ వచ్చాయో
पूरा demolish करिए. I want all the details.
పిక్చర్ తీసుకొని
Yeah.
దాన్ని గూగుల్ ఫోటేజ్ పట్టేసి వాళ్ళు చూపిస్తారు. ఫిజికల్ గా మీరు చూసి గూగుల్ పిక్చర్ చూసి దాన్ని ఇమీడియట్ గా ఫ్రమ్ మున్సిపల్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్
You also very make sure everything.
హైడ్రా ఆఫీసర్స్ హైడ్రా ఫైన్
వేరియస్ జోనల్ కమిషనర్
When is coming? Come on time. No, leave the bloody meeting. This is a very serious issue. Your meeting is not important for me today. This is a very serious issue. It's happening for so many years. What are we doing?
who is from Hyderabad?
Every day is complaining. Every day people are getting assaulted.
హైడ్రా
भाई
Sir, one
एक मिनट
सबसे पहली बात सीओ साहब से एक कंप्लेंट डीसीपी साहब से करा था
3 साल कंप्लेंट दिए थे।
नहीं पुरानी डेट में फ्रेश डेट में कराना करा के पूरा आपके इंस्पेक्टर को रख के यहाँ बोर्डा काटने लगाओ और उनको आइडेंटिफाई करो कोसे डिमोलिश कर देगा। आप कंप्लेंट करना आपकी तरफ से करना
ये है तो ये हो गया कि एक प्राइवेट इंप्रोवाइजर कंप्लेंट करा तो ये लोग आके 2.5 साल पहले 3 साल पहले खबरस्तान को लॉक कर दिया। खबरस्तान कैसा मूर्ति ऑलरेडी ग्रेव यार्ड एक्सिस्टिंग ग्रेव यार्ड है।
कौन बन के
वहाँ पे जो कार के शेड के लोग है ना उन लोग जाए कंप्लेंट आ दिया तो उसको लाठी डाल दिया डिमांड मंडल वाले बंद कर दिया।
कौन